In the meantime, the police commissioner has added his voice to the public debate over the proposed new Bail Act, which would deny bail for some persons charged with gun crimes. Despite arguments that if passed, the new Bail Act would take the bail decision out of the hands of judges, Major General Anthony Anderson supports the move.
To capture these guys, mainly we catch them with firearms and with ammunition. We have captured and charged over 400 people this year alone in possession of firearms or ammunition or both. Those people need to stay in custody.
Speaking at Railway Lane in Taws, Spence and Catherine, where 4 people were shot, 3 fatally, General Anderson noted that residents are afraid to testify even after witnessing crimes because of the power certain criminals wield.
There are challenges and difficulties with getting people to give statements about people who have committed murder. Obviously, witnesses will come forward when they are not, when they're not attached, or when people close to them are killed, they may come forward. Now, it is important that we pay attention to this type of thing.
Under the current law, judges can deny bail based on the nature and seriousness of the crime, whether the person is a flight risk, whether they may influence or tamper with the investigation if released, among other things.